Hi, in this video we will discuss about one of the premier law college or premier law institute in our country that is located in Pune. Its name is ILS Law College Pune, that is Indian Law Society Law College Pune. It is one of the top, or you can say premier law college in our country that is located in Pune, Maharashtra, and exact location in Pune is Shivaji Nagar. Establishing year of this college is 1924, so it have very long past and so much of experience for teaching law. And now when we comes to the entrance part, you have to give one entrance test that is called MH Law CET. MH Law CET, and it is of 150 marks. And out of those 150 marks, if you score more than 115 marks or 116 marks, then it will be sure that you will get admission into this college. And this college provides both types of LLB, whether you want to do your 5 years LLB integrated course, it is also available, and 3 years LLB, both are available. For 3 year LLB, you have to be done with your graduation in either field, whatever it is. Either it's BCom, BA, BSc, anything. And for 5 year course, as usual, you can do it after your 12th. When it comes to fees, for BA LLB it is more than around 2 lakh rupees, and for 3 year LLB it is around 1 lakh something. So it is not too much, as we know how much fees are being charged in colleges, so it is okay. And then one more important thing, that it has got A plus rating from NAAC. So from this you can understand that it is a very good college. Apart from this, if we come to seats, for BLLB there are 240 seats in this college, and for 3 years course, that is LLB, there are 160 seats available. So around 240 for BLLB and 160 for 3 year LLB. And after you clear your entrance, that is MH Law CET, you have to fill your admission form, and that admission form is available online on the site of this college. And you have to give your all basic details whichever is available, and you have to upload your photo, signature and everything, and then you have to submit that form, and after submission you can't change it. Once you have submitted it, it's final. Okay. And then if we comes to the infrastructure part, it has very good hostel facility available. If you are staying away from Pune in any part of country or somewhere in Maharashtra which is far away from Pune, then you can take accommodation in hostel, and the view from hostel is very good, as you can know it from the students who are studying in this particular college. And if we comes to other things in the campus, like this campus is around 195 of acres, and it is very beautiful campus as it is located around the hills. So you get a very beautiful view over there. And apart from this, it has moot court facilities, which is very basic in all law colleges. And library of this college is very good, and it is famous in all over India. So if you get admission in this college, you will get a very good facility of library, as it has number of books. Okay. And it has its legal aid clinic and international student cell. So these two extra things are available in this college. And this is all about this college, as I have told you everything about this college, whether it's infrastructure, or about admission process, number of seats, fees, or how it looks. And when we comes to faculty of this college, it is very good. They make you understand all the topics very precisely, very concisely, and if you have any doubts or anything, you can ask them very easily. They will make you understand everything. And this is all about this college. And if you are interested in doing your LLB, and you are somewhere living in Maharashtra or in any part of country, and you are interested in doing your LLB from this college, so it's a very good college. You can do your LLB from this particular college. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please do like it, and as if you are liking something, you have to show it, you have to give a thumbs up to it, and you have to share it with your friends if they want to know something about ILS Law College, and if you have any doubt about this college, please do comment in comment box. I will surely reply on that, and please do subscribe to the channel. So thank you so much